next year.
And I'm Hive, your Executive President. We're so excited to have everyone together again as a full student body, as we get to recognize so many awesome students, coaches, athletes, and teachers. Many of you have not gotten the chance to attend an all-school pep assembly. So just as a reminder, we want you engaged in our assembly with distractions put away, and your attention diverted towards the floor.
We have a fun-packed assembly prepared for you all, and you will not want to miss out on these activities.
Next, we're going to hear from our principal. Please welcome Dr. O'Quinn.
On your first year as a principal, and I was like, that's not peppy at all. There's a lot of things that go along with that, but what I do want to say is, as I reflect about my first year as principal, it all comes back to every single person in this room. I will tell you that as my first year, like anytime you do something for the first time, things are hard. Some days are a lot more difficult than others, but every single day I get to come to this building and I get to hang out with these teachers, and I get to look at the smiling faces of every student in this room, and that is what keeps me going every day. So it's the end of school. We are almost to the finish line, and seniors, for all 15 of you that are here today, that's a joke, you guys are almost finished. So we want to give a big congratulations to you for all of the things that you've done and for all of the accomplishments that you have made up until this point. And for our freshmen, we hope that you're watching. We hope that you're watching all of the good things, and that you are planning to finish strong when you get to that point. For everybody else in this room, the last few weeks of school can be a little trying. Everybody's tired, you want to sleep in, summer is around the corner, but there are so many things left to do. So today is a kickoff for the final part of the year where you guys get jazzed up, pepped up, and ready to finish strong. And we hope that everybody enjoys the final few weeks of school. Seniors, we have a lot left in store for you, even just in the few short days that you have. I want to thank everybody in this room for being you, for doing what you do, and even